How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist fear you. That is the title of today's episode. Narcissists are selfish, self-centered, arrogant individuals who lack empathy. They only care about their needs. It's always about their needs. Me. I. That's what the narcissist believes in. They have fragile egos. They believe they are more special, more important, more superior than everybody else. Now, how do you make this narcissist fear you? Number one, set firm boundaries. Enforce those boundaries also. There is nothing, completely nothing that the narcissist fears more than boundaries and consequences in place. If the narcissist is treating you badly, is abusing you, messing up with your mental health, then put boundaries, put consequences in place. Be clear that you're not going to put up with that behavior of theirs. You're not going to put up with their toxic behaviors. Confront the narcissist and explain what will happen if they ignore the boundaries that you've put in place. You can tell the narcissist, for instance, if you yell at me, I'll walk away. And if they yell at you, walk away. You can tell the narcissist, if you raise your voice on me, I will leave right now. And if they raise their voice on you, leave. Now, don't put boundaries, don't put warnings, and don't go through with them. All right? Otherwise, they'll be mere threats. So when you put consequences and the narcissist breaks those boundaries, then show the narcissist that you're firm. Do not negotiate. Do not argue. Make it very clear with the narcissist that your boundaries are non-negotiable. Now, the other thing to make the narcissist fear you is to call them out when they cross that line. When they mess up with you, call them out. Expose them. Tell them that they're lying. Tell them that they're insulting you. Tell them that they're verbally abusing you. Don't let the narcissist get away with them mistreating you, abusing you. Because the narcissist thinks that nobody's going to tell them to stop. Nobody's going to stop them from their manipulative games. So the next time they abuse you, hey, call them out and tell them you're not going to tolerate that. You're not going to put up with that. They will fear you. In fact, you can expose them in public. You can call them out in public. The narcissist cares about their reputation in a big way. So when you expose them, they will fear you. Now, you can also interrupt them if they interrupt you. Speak over them if they interrupt you. Don't allow the narcissist to get away with it. It is uncomfortable, but don't let the narcissist talk over you. If they speak over you, or if they interrupt you while you are speaking, while you are talking, shut them down, instantly. Speak, continue speaking. That way you deny them control over you. Because the narcissist wants to dominate conversation. They want to control you, control your environment, control everything about you. Even the way you discuss the conversation itself, they want to control it. So, don't fear reminding the narcissist that you're not done speaking, you're not done talking. When you confront a narcissist like that, then they will fear you in a big way. The other thing to make the narcissist fear you is to withhold intense reactions, emotional reactions. The narcissist will try to provoke you. They will try to do everything to force a reaction from you. Whether it's negative or positive reaction, they need a reaction from you. So, the next time they provoke you, be calm, cool, collected. Don't react. Don't react to their provocations. Be there. Be still. The narcissist will fear you. They will be shocked. They will not know what you're thinking. They will not get the narcissistic supply they need. They will not get that attention that they want from you. The other way to make the narcissist fear you is to stick to the facts, because narcissists hate facts. They hate facts. Don't bend to the narcissist's opinions, to the narcissist's version of reality. Because to the narcissist, their opinions are facts. If they try to manipulate you, play games with you, stick to facts, then they will fear you. You can also make the narcissist fear you by ignoring their mind manipulative games, their silly games, because that's what narcissists love doing. They're master manipulators. Remember that. They love playing manipulative games. So when the narcissist wants to play games with you, say no. Refuse to play those games with the narcissist. Refuse to engage in those games with the narcissist. If they provoke you with some abusive text messages, just ignore it. If they criticize you in front of others in an unfair way, just look at them, glance at them, and just ignore them. So the less power you give to these narcissistic, manipulative, devious tactics, the more uncomfortable they'll be. They'll fear you because they can't get into you. But sometimes you can actually call those manipulative games out. You can expose them publicly. If they're trying to provoke you, you can call those behaviors publicly. But the best move is to ignore them. They'll fear you in a big way. Now, when dealing with a narcissist and you want them to fear you, be late. Be a little bit late to do everything. Be a little unreliable. Be a little, unaccountable. It will make the narcissist be worried about you. They will be scared. Withhold that attention that you've been giving the narcissist, because that's what they need most from you. If you want the narcissist to fear you, learn to say no. Say no. Again, reject that narcissist. Abandon that narcissist if you want them to fear you, because there's nothing that the narcissist fears most than to be abandoned. Then you can also tease the narcissist playfully through a joke. All right? Give them a tip of their own medicine and see them fear you. The narcissist hates saying thank you. They hate appreciating. So, force that narcissist in whatever way. Make that narcissist to say thank you. They will fear you. Because it's very difficult for a narcissist to express gratitude. Because that means that for them to say thank you, it means they gained something from you. It means they benefited from someone else. They benefited from you. And the narcissist does not want that. They don't want to acknowledge that you have been important to them. If you do something nice to the narcissist, say it out, point it out. Let the narcissist know that you've done something nice for them. That way, the narcissist will feel out of control. They'll be shocked because the narcissist does not want to say thank you. They don't like appreciating others. If somebody gives something nice to a narcissist, a gift, or does some favor to a narcissist, please praise them. Says, wow, that was nice of you to do this and this, or to give this gift to the narcissist. Tell the narcissist that that person has done something good to appreciate. The narcissist does not love that, saying thank you. So, to make the narcissist fear you in social settings, be loud. Being present and active will keep a narcissist at bay. Narcissists are like high school bullies. They will not target you if they think you are a force to be reckoned with. If they think you are also loud, you are also a bully, kind of, then they will shy away from dealing with you. They will fear you. So be loud. That way the narcissist will fear you. Face them directly. Make eye contact with them. Don't shy away from entering their personal space. Now, the other way to make a narcissist fear you is to have a team. Have a team of your mutual friends, of your family. Have a support system. Always have people on your side. This way the narcissist will fear you. They will know you have people who will cheer you up, people to encourage you to stand up on the narcissist. Then the other way to make the narcissist fear you is to cut them off completely. All right? Block them. Unfriend them on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and so on. It will scare the narcissist away. They will fear you in a big way. There's nothing the narcissist fear more than you cutting them off, than you rejecting them, than you abandoning them. The narcissist fears to be left alone. They fear to be isolated. So block their number. Block them everywhere. Block them on social media. Assume they don't exist. When you see them, don't acknowledge their presence. All right? Ignore them. That way the narcissist will fear you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thank you.